spicy.
Maybe, yeah, that's maybe.
Do you want any crispy onions or banana peppers?
Do some banana peppers.
Yeah. Okay, that's good.
I think so.
And it's for inside or to go?
To go, please.
All good? Need any help? No. This will be your ticket. Large Philly to go. Yes, classic Philly. Thank you. Freddy, chicken?
Yeah.
Large chicken?
Or ball. Wait for the fries.
Okay, that's for Amanda.
Yeah. That's everything.
Hi guys, I can help you if you're ready.
The automatic reaction.
Yeah. You'll pick it up for a loss.
What you got?
Awesome, thank you.
Yeah, we'll have it right out. You want
What
to
you
take
have?
it?
I have on my thigh side and see not decide what types of typical turkey one, yeah.
We're still deciding. Can I put that back?
What are you making there, Lara?
Turkey.
Turkey.
Cheese, please.
Hi there.
I'll do a large mortadella on cheesy greens.
I have this one. The roll.
What kind of cheese for you today?
Cheddar.
And vegetable, lettuce, tomato.
Lettuce and tomatoes?
I'll do lettuce, onion, pickle.
You got all you said?
Onions, pickles. Salt, pepper, oregano.
I'll give you just pepper and oregano, please.
Okay, any veggies from this side?
I'll do green pepper and some jalapenos.
You want no tomato?
Talk to you later. Want a cookie?
Anything else to make the combo? You have on my fine, you can have one drink.
What sauce would you like?
I do Southwest and lots of sauce.
Greek sauce?
Fountain, no Paul.
Lots of grease.
What's that? Yeah, we got one of the.
Looks good or you want more?
No, that's good.
Would you like this to be toasted or just like that?
I'll do breast.
Inside or to go?
Inside.
Okay, whatever is part of it.
You can pick your drink.
Okay, so we'll give you a Falcon pop and then you want like chips and cookies.
Oh, I see.
And that's how it goes.
That's on my fine.
Or no, try make the drink with the fries. If that makes sense. Sorry.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Sorry about that. Yeah, exactly. You're gonna dine in? I am. Fries are right now.
So I have got large mortadella next for inside.
You need a receipt? I got steak number 73. I believe for this guy right here. Yes, 73. Your fries. If you want, go grab your drink.
And it's to go, sir? You have a ticket.
Thank you. Take it to
worries,
her.
have a
Give her
good
this
day.
too. Okay. There you go. Mortadella.
Yeah. So I do just a combo with Greek fries and
Fries already? I'll put them down for you right now.
Sorry, I changed my mind last second.
That's okay. We just try to make it as fast as possible. Are you dining?
Yeah.
Sure. Okay, you know what? We'll bring the fries out for you, okay?
I clean your
Cheers.
chairs and this POV salad is also
Okay. So what's left for the cleaning?
I don't know what I
But did you mark it off?
No.
Can you go mark it off? That's it. Whatever you did, just mark. Okay, I'll do it in 5 minutes. Hi guys, welcome to Sub Express.
It's gonna take her a couple of minutes.
Okay.
Sorry, no rush.
Yeah, no rush.
And the ladies. We got,
Let's go over here.
The Nervo. You want chicken or beef and lamb? Beef and lamb. You want rice, French fries, rice? Can I have a large beef and lamb, please?
Sure.
I can do that. Give me.
So very important to like that.
Yeah.
Because it was like that.
that's
now.
not good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Some
So-
food, yeah.
What kind of veggies would you like on it?
We usually put some pineapple, jalapeno.
Yeah. Jalapenos.
Pretty much it.
That's good. You don't want lettuce or anything? Lettuce.
Onions.
Onions.
You said you want the steak stuff?
Okay. Large steak.
The steak? What kind of roasted chicken?
Grilled chicken.
Grilled chicken.
Yeah, the lamb.
And are you okay with feta cheese on it?
A little bit, yeah. And the mozzarella.
Sorry? Mozzarella cheese?
We don't have it like that. Oh. Yeah, no, that's
You're just mozzarella? And what sauce would you like on it? Yeah.
tzatziki.
What kind of cheese you want?
And you have like a doner sauce? Yeah,
Doner, tzatziki, garlic. Yeah.
There you go.
And it's for inside or to go, guys? To go?